I'm going to be taking you through the bird dog. So the bird dog is a great full body movement to generate some strength, but also some flexibility and extension through your back body. So we're going to be on all fours, making sure your shoulders are stacked over your wrists, your hips are stacked over your knees as well. And what we're going to be doing is lifting out your left arm and your right leg, and then popping it back down, and then alternating over to the other side. So as you can see, as I'm extending my arm and my leg out, I'm keeping it in pretty much a straight line from toe to fingertips. As you're doing this, having to brace through the core as you're transferring weight from one side to the other. We're going to make sure that it's a nice swift movement, that we're not feeling our weight plonking from one side to the other. That's a nice controlled core movement. You can do a few variations of this one. You can either have dumbbells in your hand if you like, or you can either prop your knees up and then extend out while up on your knees. Ooh, a bit wobbly with that one. So do that one only once you're confident with the bird dog. Another variation you can do actually is adding the crunch into it. So just staying onto one side and adding that crunch in. That one is the bird dog.